In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Meta AI. By the end, you'll confidently share a photo with Meta AI and ask it to edit, describe, or restyle your image right inside the chat. Start by opening the Meta AI app. If you don't have the standalone app, you can also access Meta AI from within Messenger, Instagram, or WhatsApp by opening a chat with Meta AI. Once you're in the conversation, look near the message box for a small plus sign or a photo or camera icon. That's the shortcut you'll use to bring an image into the chat. If it's your first time, your phone may ask for permission to access your photos or camera. Go ahead and allow it so the feature works correctly. Tap the icon and choose how you want to bring in your picture. Pick Photos or Gallery to select an existing image from your device, or choose Camera to take a new photo on the spot. After you make your selection, you'll see the image appear in the chat box as a preview. This is a good moment to double check you grabbed the right photo. Next, tell Meta AI exactly what you want done with that image. Type a clear instruction in the message field like, edit this photo and make it brighter, remove the background, turn this into anime style, or describe this image. The more specific you are, mentioning things like brightness, style, or what to focus on, the better the result. When you're ready, tap send. After you send your message, Meta AI processes the image and your instruction. You'll typically see a quick response with the edited result or a detailed description, depending on what you asked. From there, you can refine your request in the same chat, for example, by saying a bit brighter, softer shadows, or try a more realistic look, without needing to re-upload the photo. Once your image is uploaded, Meta AI can do quite a bit. It can edit your photo to adjust lighting, color, or clarity. It can describe what's in the image, which is helpful for accessibility or quick context. It can add or remove objects when prompted, and it can restyle the image into different looks, such as cartoon or realistic. In some regions or app versions, it can even animate elements of the image if that feature is available. If you don't see the photo icon, make sure your app is updated and you have a stable internet connection. And as a best practice, only upload images you're comfortable sharing in a chat. That's it. You've successfully uploaded an image to Meta AI and guided it to do exactly what you want.